How to contact Shopify support. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to contact your Shopify support. This is going to be obviously if you had an incident or you just wanted to clear something up with them. It doesn't really matter why you actually wanted to contact them, but you can feel free to do so. And it's actually going to be very easy. Now, there are two different ways to access it. You can just go ahead and open up a new browser tab and just search for Shopify support. And once you do that, you should find yourself with then the Shopify Help Center. Just go ahead and click on it. It's just going to take you to the next step. Or instead, to make things easier, you can just go to your Shopify store itself, log in, which is actually going to end up being necessary at some point in the chat. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click on the name of your store on the top right. Click on that, and then you will find as the third option, usually, if you don't have a lot of stores here, the Help Center. It should be the first option except for your stores. So Help Center. So just go and click on Help Center, and it's just going to take you here. From here, you can just go ahead and first, before you even contacting them, you can feel free to look through here and see whether the question that you actually want to ask is visible in here or not, because you can actually just make things a lot easier for yourself by just finding the answers that you're looking for. So feel free to look through them. For example, if it's about customers, you can just go ahead and click on customers, and you can read more about it, and you'll have a lot of sections here that you can just go for and read more about, which could include exactly what you need. If you try to look for a specific answer in here and you don't find it because it is crowded with a lot of different questions here, you can simply also search the Help Center for a specific question, and they will try to give you the best result possible. Now, if that's completely out of the way and you don't find what you're actually looking for, then you can resort to the actual assistant here. So you can actually see, hello, I'm your virtual help center assistant, and basically it's going to be an AI until you reach a point where it's not going to be able to help you, and then it's actually going to connect you with the right support team. So you can just go to the bottom, click on Contact Support, or just go ahead and get started by asking them anything in here at the bottom right. And if they can actually answer you right away, they can do so. If not, they may just connect you with someone who can. So this is pretty much all for it. So you can just go in and talk to them here. If you want to reset chat, you can also do so. And if you try to, for example, log in from a browser that is not logged in, you can also access the same features. It's not going to be different, but it may require you to log in later on. So anyways, this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.